living positively, living positive, living positively, living
Sanibonani, siyanamukela kuSiyayinqoba Bidit. Uhlelo lwabo bonke abahlangabezana futhi banqobe izinselelo zesandulela ngculazi kanye nengculazi. Namhlanje sidingida ukuthi sibatshela kanjani abanye abantu ukuthi siphila negciwane lesandulela ngculazi. Lena akuyona into elula ukuyenza ngoba siyesaba ukuthi labo sibathandayo bangasihlamuka. Kodwa ke njengoba sizobona namhlanje kuyinto enhle kithina kanye nalabo esisondelene nabo ukukhuluma ngesimo sethu sesandulela ngculazi. Samukela ithimba elikhuthazayo. Ake siye eNtshonalanga Koloni ke siyohlangana noBulelwa ozositshela ukuthi kwenzakalani mhla etshela umamakhe ukuthi uphila negciwane lesandulela ngculazi.
Namhlanje sisekhaya elitsha ko-F sithela noBulelwa esicacisela kabanzi uba wenza njani ukudisclosela umama wakhe.
Waqala nini ukuzazi uba u-HIV positive?
Uqala kwami uziva uba ndine-HIV ndizive ngo-2005 ngoJuni. Ndaphathwa yipeyini elapha esiswini nalapha emqolo. Ndaqonda mama ndiye ekliniki wathi ugqirha kum ndake ndayithestela ne-HIV. Ndathi ke mna ke hayi wandinika ifomu uba wathi mandiyothesta ndaya. Xa ufika kwam kwelaa gumbi le-counselling wathi laa sister wayendicounselisha phaya endlini uzawuxelela abani wophi umuntu omthembileyo endlini. Namhlanje besiye ndacinga ke mna ndathi okay ndizawuxelela umamam. Akekho omnye umuntu endimthembileyo ngaphandle kwakhe ndizawuxelela yena. Okay ke wabuya laa sisi ne-result wathi sisi kufumaniseka uba u-HIV positive. Yho hayi ndothuka nyhani. Ndothuka ndahamba ndayicinga yonke le nto apha endleleni ndabe ndizicinga ezinto hayi mani bakhona abantu bahle baphila nale ntsholongwane. So ke ndiye ndafika okay ngengomso ndamxelela ndathi sisi ndahlala ecankwakhe ndathi njengoba bendiyamane ndihamba ekliniki ugqirha uye wafumaniseka uba ndi-HIV positive. Sendiphumile ngoba ndimhle kangaka kwivuka ndinxiba isipili.
Wena mama wayithatha njani ukuva kwakho uba umntanakho une-HIV?
Ukuva kwami uba uBulelwa u-HIV positive ndothuka kakhulu. Kodwa ekuthukeni kwami ndaqonda into kokubana ngalaa mzuzu andixelela ngawo mandihambe ndiye kwigumbi lam lokulala ndokwenza umthandazo omfitshane. Nyhani ndathi ugqiba kwam ukuthandaza ndiza kuye ndamxelela into kokubana mntanam ndiyayamkela ndaye ndiziqonda uba uyamkela kwam ndizawuba semva kwakhe ndimjonge ndimbuze nee-dates zakhe ahamba ngazo ikliniki andichazele treatment yakhe yandibonisa noba uyahamba uya kwi-support group sakhe uyahamba abuye andixelele yonke into ibisenzeka ndimnike ixesha lakuba andibaliselele amabali wakhe. Umntana xa zikuwe zokuxelela uba u-HIV sukumlahlela ngaphandle mamela yonke into okuxelela yona umntana wakho. Ngoba abanye abantwana bayahamba bozibulala kuba abazali babo mhlawumbi abayamkeli le nto.
Ingcebiso yakho kwabanye abantwana abangakadisclose kwamakwabo ingaba ithini?
I-HIV sisifo esixhaphakileyo ngoku esingoyikekiyo. Umuntu azixelele uba ndizawuphila. Umamam mandimxelele akekho umuntu endizawubalekela kuyo mandimxelele uba ndi-HIV. Ngoku uyithetha kwakho kungona uba uqhubekeka nobomi nolife wakho uright.
Into engithatshayo ngale insert is the manner in which our mothers carry themselves when they hear about this. Because I'm one of those people. I'm one of those people. Ogute means of find out rooting positive, and my mother was just there for me, and I never really got to understand the importance of mama until that day. And to think about mama because she had just gotten through my sister getting ill of HIV and having AIDS and everything, and it drew me to her because I had never been as close to her before than I actually became on that day. Because to this day, I still look at her and think, you know, she's been through so much, and there's so much that I don't really thank her for. I could never, ever be thankful to anybody but God for giving me such a beautiful person as my mother.
Qinisile Shalom. Okay kwaba into yabanzima kimi ukuthi like how do I tell umamami ukuthi like HIV positive. But then okwayenzakala kimi ukuthi mina was forced out ukuthi I have to be out with my status because umuntu oqale ngamtshela kwakuumuntu waye best friend yami ngaleso sikhathi. So azange akwazi ukuthi ayigcine kuye lonto leyo because within a week abantu abaningi ekhlالeni basebebazi ukuthi ngi-HIV positive. So that's when I decided ukuthi ngcono ngibatshele endlini like ngiqale ngibatshela abazali bami ukuthi ngi-HIV positive because ngicabangela lento le ukuthi kuzoba njani ukuthi umama aye esontweni or aseTexini aye emsebenzini azobantu bakhuluma ngami ukuthi ngi-HIV positive. But then in her case indlela angamkela ngayo kwaba it was the opposite of what I expected. I expected ukuthi uzoba emotional, uzokhala. But then she just showed support from ngalo lelo langa lelo. Angitshela nje ukuthi uzoba nami all the way.
Ukutshela abanye ngesimo sethu sesandulela ngculazi akulula neze. Kodwa sonke sakwenza. Ungazisoli nangomzuzu. Sizizwa sinamandla, sinempilo ngoba asisaphila impilo yamahloni nemfihlo. Protect yourself, protect others. Kuze kube ngaleso sikhathi. Salani kahle emakhaya. Bye bye.